Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Today we are going to make a very beautiful wire earring. For this tutorial, of course, we need wire of three sizes: 1.2 millimeter thick, 1 millimeter or 0.81, and the thinner wire of about 0.4 or 0.5. Also, we need some kind of beads that I'm using, this turquoise oval beads. And of course, our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. This is a hammered earring, so we need a hard hammer. Then we pick up 1.2 millimeter wire and we start to form it with our round nose pliers. So keep it tight with your round nose pliers from one head and the starting point of this wire strand, and make a P-shaped loop. I'm going to put it again on this loop and then wrap it to have an open swirl, just like this. Then I rotate it. Then I would squeeze it a little so that there wouldn't be any open spaces in here. I push it with my finger, could be your thumb or index finger, as you desire, and it's easy for you to have a little curve here. And then I'm going to continue doing that to have a circle. I could use this continuous part of this strand to pull it and make a beautiful circle and loop in here. Now this is the time to cut this wire out, and about 1 centimeter out of the intersection point between these two strands, and that could be somewhere here. And I'm going to make another loop at the ending point with my round nose pliers to close this shape. You should be careful not to let the loop open, so I would squeeze it a little and make a closed loop just like this. And it is going to be the main frame of our earring. Now I'm going to do some hammering parts. So put it on your hard surface. With the hard hammer, I'm going to do some hammering till the wire is spread and flat, just like this. Depending on the hard surface and the hammer, there could be little patterns and textures all around these surfaces. So this is the time to add our beads into this main structure, and we are going to do that with the thinner wire of about 0.5 millimeters in thick, and we start to make a little wire coil on this main frame by wrapping the thinner wire all around it and to squeeze it, and we wrap it for about 2 or 3 times at each starting point. Then cut this wire out, and don't forget to push the ending point so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges. Now I'm going to cut the other side of this strand in about 10 centimeters. And then to insert one of these beads into this thinner wire, and then to wrap it all around the main structure again for about 2 times. Then I'm continuing inserting other beads in. Now we are almost done, and of course we could change some details, including the size of this main structure or the size and shape or color of the beads that are woven. This color is perfect for blue or orange dresses that you wear. Orange as is the complementary color for blue. And now we are going to make another wire weaving part with a thinner wire at this point, and we are going to close it. Again, we make a tie with the thinner wire while one of these tails are behind the other one, and we are going to pull it so that it would be attached all around this main structure. And I'm going to wrap this extra part all around and make a little wire coil here. Then cut the other part of this strand in about 4 or 5 centimeters, and then we are going to wrap it all around these 2 parts, and this is because we are going to attach these 2 open parts together. So we are going to make a wire coiling part in here. With weaving these wires at the top part of this structure and to attach these 2 open parts, we are almost done. Just we should add the hook, and we are going to make one simply with 0.8 or 1 millimeter wire, and we would make a loop at first, then make another one and make a bend in front of this loop approximately, and then cut this wire in about 1/2 centimeters, and then open it up and insert this structure in, and then close it. And that would be our very beautiful dangling wire earring. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching. And if you want this ring tutorial to be the next one, please drop a comment for me. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.